Shopify is an all-in-one commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to start, run, and grow their online stores. It provides a range of tools for building and customizing online stores, processing sales, managing inventory, and handling marketing and customer interactions. Shopify provides tools to build and customize online stores without needing extensive coding knowledge. It allows users to sell products not only through their online store, but also through social media platforms, marketplaces, and in-person retail settings. Shopify offers integrated payment processing solutions to handle transactions securely. It provides tools to track and manage inventory levels, ensuring efficient stock control. Shopify POS allows businesses to manage in-person sales, track inventory, and process payments at physical locations. Shopify allows users to customize the look and feel of their online store, tailoring it to their brand. Shopify can accommodate businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. Mobile optimization. Shopify is designed to be mobile-friendly, ensuring a seamless shopping experience on smartphones and tablets. In essence, Shopify aims to simplify the process of selling products online and in person, providing a comprehensive platform for businesses to manage all aspects of their commerce operations. Shopify enables sellers to create a unique branded online store, like Etsy, which is a marketplace with a standardized look and feel. White label solution. Shopify provides a white label solution, meaning sellers can build their brand without the inherent Etsy branding that comes with selling on their platform. Lower transaction fees. Shopify has lower transaction fees, especially when using Shopify payments, and doesn't charge listing fees, says Forbes. Predictable costs. Shopify's monthly subscription fees provide more predictable costs compared to Etsy's variable fees based on sales and listing activity. Superior customer support. Shopify offers 24/7 support via phone, email, and live chat, ensuring sellers can get assistance whenever they need it. Active community. Shopify has a large and active community of users, providing a wealth of resources, forums, and support networks. Shopify negatives. Cost. Shopify's monthly fees and the cost of themes, apps, and marketing can add up quickly, especially for smaller businesses. No built-in audience. Unlike Etsy, Shopify doesn't have a built-in customer base, requiring sellers to drive their own traffic. Requires technical skills. Setting up and managing a Shopify store can require technical knowledge or the cost of hiring a developer. Shopify doesn't automatically provide customer emails, making it harder to build a direct relationship with buyers. Potential for slowdown. With too many add-ons, Shopify's performance can be affected. Limited customization. Etsy's platform limits how much you can customize your store and branding. High competition. The marketplace is crowded and it can be challenging to stand out, especially with the influx of mass-produced items. Etsy is an online marketplace where people buy and sell unique, handmade, vintage, and craft supply items. It connects independent sellers with buyers, offering a wide range of products that can't typically be found in mainstream retail stores. Community-focused marketplace. Etsy emphasizes a community of independent sellers and buyers, unique and creative goods. It's known for its focus on handmade crafts, vintage items, and craft supplies. Empowering sellers. Etsy provides tools and support to help sellers manage and grow their businesses. Direct buying experience. Buyers can connect directly with sellers, ask questions about products, and customize their purchases. wide range of categories. Etsy offers a diverse selection of items, including jewelry, clothing, home decor, art, and more. Not a traditional retailer, unlike Amazon, Etsy doesn't have its own fulfillment centers and sellers manage their own inventory. Etsy's positives: built-in audience. Etsy provides immediate access to a large marketplace of buyers actively seeking unique, handmade, or vintage goods, lower initial costs. Etsy doesn't require a subscription fee, making it a more affordable option for those starting out, though there are listing and transaction fees. Etsy's platform is known for its user-friendly interface and straightforward listing process, making it easy to get started quickly. Strong SEO for niche products. Etsy's search engine optimization SEO is tailored to its niche products, potentially leading to higher visibility for relevant items. Choose Etsy if you are a small business or individual seller focusing on handmade, vintage, or craft items and appreciate the built-in audience and ease of use. Choose Shopify if you want to build a strong, branded online store, have more control over your business, and are prepared for more upfront effort in marketing and customization. High competition. Etsy is a large marketplace with millions of active sellers, making it challenging to stand out, especially for new sellers. The abundance of similar products can lead to price wars and make it difficult to attract customers. Seller fees. Etsy charges various fees, including listing fees, transaction fees, and advertising fees. These fees can significantly impact profit margins, especially for sellers with low-priced items or those who rely on off-site advertising. Some sellers have protested fee increases, indicating potential dissatisfaction with Etsy's fee structure. Limited control. Etsy controls the platform's features, design, and policies, limiting sellers' ability to customize their storefront or brand identity. Sellers have less control over customer data and may face challenges in building direct customer relationships. Etsy's policies, such as those regarding free shipping, can put pressure on sellers to adapt, potentially impacting their business model. Thanks for watching.